Today we'll talk about how can you choose your pronouns on your Nextdoor app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Just click here on my profile. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on edit profile. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just scrolling down here until you will find here pronouns here, and here can you select your pronouns in this list. In this list here can you select your pronouns here. If you want to display on profile or not here, just click on this sign if you want to display it. If not, you just click on this sign again. Then you click here on save to save with you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.